What if the unthinkable happened? What if our sun, the very heart of our solar system, exploded tomorrow? In an instant, life as we know it would change forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to Exploring the What If. Today we're diving into a chilling and fascinating scenario. What if the sun exploded tomorrow? It's a question that pushes the boundaries of our imagination and understanding. Let's explore the science, the consequences, and the sheer impact of such a cosmic catastrophe. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's talk about what it means for a star to explode. This cataclysmic event is known as a supernova. It occurs when a star reaches the end of its life cycle and undergoes a massive explosion, releasing incredible amounts of energy and light. But here's the thing. Our sun is not massive enough to go supernova. Instead, it will eventually become a red giant and then a white dwarf. However, for the sake of this hypothetical scenario, let's imagine our sun could explode like a supernova. If the sun were to explode tomorrow, the immediate effects would be catastrophic. The explosion would send out a shockwave of energy and particles at incredible speeds. Within 8 minutes, the time it takes for light to travel from the sun to Earth, we would witness an incredibly bright flash. The shockwave would strip away the Earth's atmosphere and obliterate everything in its path. Without the sun's gravity, the planets in our solar system would no longer stay in their orbits. Earth would be sent hurtling into space, along with the other planets. Temperatures would plummet, leading to a rapid freeze. Life as we know it would cease to exist almost immediately due to the extreme cold and lack of sunlight. But let's break down the science a bit more. Stars like our sun are powered by nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing energy. When a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer support itself against gravitational collapse. For massive stars, this collapse leads to a supernova. But our sun will undergo a less dramatic process, eventually shedding its outer layers and leaving behind a white dwarf. Is there any way humanity could survive such an event? In short, it's implausible. Even with advanced technology, the sudden loss of the sun's energy and gravitational pull would make survival virtually impossible. However, this hypothetical scenario highlights the importance of understanding and appreciating our sun. It's the source of life and energy for our entire planet. Interestingly, scientists have ways to detect potential supernova events in distant stars long before they happen. Observatories around the world monitor the sky for unusual activity. If our sun were somehow on the brink of exploding, we would likely detect significant changes in its behavior, such as increased solar activity and the ejection of massive amounts of solar material. The explosion of the sun would also have profound effects on the rest of the solar system. The shockwave would reach the outer planets, and the loss of the sun's gravitational pull send all the planets drifting into the void of space. The asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt would be disrupted, potentially sending countless asteroids and comets on collision courses throughout the solar system. Our sun has been shining for about 4.6 billion years and is expected to continue for another 5 billion years. It's essential to appreciate its role not just as a light and heat source, but as the center of life for all creatures on Earth. Understanding the life cycle of stars gives us a greater appreciation for the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on our planet. However, let's entertain the idea of humanity's resilience and ingenuity. If we had prior warning, perhaps we could prepare to some extent. Building underground shelters or relocating to other celestial bodies might be considered. Advanced space travel technology and self-sustaining habitats on Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn could be a distant hope. While the sun exploding tomorrow is purely fictional and not something we need to worry about, it does make us think about the fragility of our existence in the universe. So next time you look up at the sky, remember how vital our sun is to life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more intriguing content, and leave a comment with your thoughts on this cosmic scenario. See you next time.